Name?
Let's see. I think I forgot my name. Martha?
Okay. This is her first time driving the skid steer here.
What's the name of this thing?
It's called a skid steer.
A skate steer?
Skid steer. Just push that throttle towards me.
Oh, okay.
Oh, the other one. That hand.
Oh, this hand.
Yep. Come on.
Oh.
Forward.
Oh.
Forward.
Oh.
Just like a tank.
Hi, George.
There she's going.
Oh, Lord, how do you stop this thing?
Now turn it that way a little.
Oh.
Keep going. Keep going.
I'm taking the rock garden over here any minute now.
Oh, you're good.
Where am I supposed to be going?
So you just gotta turn it all the way around. Keep going that way.
If they could see me now,
And come forward. Push it forward.
I'm coming to get you, Shannon.
Okay, that's good.